asked me recently, Captain, how do you make your fucking eggs? Your fucking pieced eggs so fucking fast? I use this. I use a microwave thing. I've discussed this. Right, I'm going to show you how I do it, right? So you buy your bread, right? Buy your bread. Right, this is you getting prepared for eggs and all that. Right, so there's one button, alright? Put the bread here. You get your eggs, I might do this fast. You get your eggs, open your wee microwave thing. Fucking hell. See, I'm holding the tablet. This is fucking hard to do. You crank your egg. Stick your egg in there. Right, boom. It doesn't need to be perfect, because it's just getting fucking hot. Doesn't fucking matter. Put your egg in the bin. Right, slam that fucking shut. Shut a wee bit of egg on top there. Just take it off. Waste not want that. Right, fucking get in your microwave. Boom, in the microwave. Shut it here. 1 minute. Boom. Right. And that's to get microwaved. When you do that, run here. Fuck, where? Got a bit of yolk in my plate. Fuck it. This the matter, so I'm going to add to the taste. Right, fucking. Give me a bar. You hear it popping? That's it popping. You hear that? It pops. It starts popping. And that's it popping, right? I hope you can hear the video, you know, I've got the washing machine on too. So it's a bit hard to hear. Right, there we go. This is quite hard to do with one hand. It's because I'm holding the tablet. Right, so there we go. Butter everywhere. Okay. Boom. Done, right. That's that done. First egg nearly done, right? 2 seconds. Boom. Take that out. Right, you don't even need the cooling down, because I will not burn you in. Fucking come here, you. Right. There we go, right? So that's that one done. Here we go, do this with one hand. Scoop out, right? Scoop that out. That's that done. Put that in the egg. This is actually butter. This is butter with one fucking hand. Don't know how to fucking do that. Right, here we go, right? So that's one egg. Do another egg. Boom. Second egg in. Put your egg in the bin again. Boom. Shut your bin. Fucking see what I say here in a fucking minute. Here we go. Boom. 1 more minute. And boom. Fucking go. Right. That's still ready. Okay, some salt. Okay, you see some salt. There we go. Wee bit of salt. Yeah. Wee bit of salt. Right, we're nearly there. There we go. 41 seconds. Come on. Hurry up. We cut off and he's taping. It's not cut off a lot. I'm going to do this. I'm going to stitch the videos together. Fucking hell. Right, so that's it nearly done. That's because I accidentally hit the fucking stove band, didn't I? With the tablet. Right, so we're nearly done. Right, it was only a second. I started recording anyway. It doesn't matter, you know what I'm doing. Yeah, boom. See, it's all popping. But that's the matter. Run here. Get on here. Open this fucker up. It's quite hard to open. Wonder if I could just toss it on. No, that's there we go. Keep it. That's a bit hot. A wee bit hot. There we go. Right. We wanted to go salt that, so a wee bit of salt. Wee tiny bit of salt, Wee tiny bit of salt. Boom. And fucking, there we go. That's how I do it. Fucking done. Put it all together, half in two. Fucking hell, I need to hold it with my hand. And he had a bit fucking hot. And there we go. Oh, done. Done. Look at that. Beautiful. It's already, look. There you go, fast in it. Right, I'm going to go eat this. Oh, God. Eating a bit too fast there. Right, I'm going to go eat this. This is fucking beautiful.